Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about SonarQube, a very important tool used in modern software development and DevOps. If you are a developer, DevOps engineer, or a student preparing for interviews, this tool is extremely useful for you. So let's understand what SonarQube is, why it is needed, and how it is used in real projects. What is SonarQube? SonarQube is an open source platform used for continuous inspection of code quality. It analyzes your source code and helps you identify issues related to bugs, security vulnerabilities, and code smells. SonarQube supports multiple programming languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, C#, PHP, and many more, making it suitable for almost any application. Why does code quality matter? Code quality is very important for long-term project success. Poor quality code increases bugs, security risks, and maintenance costs. As applications grow, bad code becomes difficult to understand and modify. That is why tools like SonarQube are used to keep the code clean, readable, and maintainable. Why do we need SonarQube? Manual code reviews are time-consuming and not always accurate. Developers may miss critical issues because of deadlines or heavy workload. SonarQube automates the code review process and provides instant feedback, helping teams catch problems early in the development lifecycle. What types of issues does SonarQube detect? SonarQube mainly detects three types of issues. First, bugs, which can cause the application to crash or behave incorrectly. Second, vulnerabilities, which are security weaknesses that attackers can exploit. Third, code smells, which are bad coding practices that make code hard to maintain and scale. Key features of SonarQube. SonarQube provides many powerful features such as automatic code analysis, detailed dashboards and reports, code duplication detection, technical debt measurement, and security hotspot identification. These features help development teams maintain high coding standards. How does SonarQube work? SonarQube works using a tool called the Sonar Scanner. The scanner scans the source code and sends the analysis results to the SonarQube server. The server processes this data and displays it in the form of reports, charts, and quality scores. SonarQube architecture. SonarQube architecture consists of three main components: the SonarQube server, which handles processing and dashboards, a database which stores code metrics and historical data, and the Sonar Scanner, which performs the actual code scanning. All these components work together to provide complete code quality insights. What is a quality gate? A quality gate is a set of conditions that your code must satisfy before moving forward. For example, no critical bugs, limited vulnerabilities, and acceptable code coverage. If the code fails the quality gate, the build can be stopped automatically, preventing bad quality code from reaching production. SonarQube in CI/CD pipeline. SonarQube is commonly integrated into CI/CD pipelines. It works seamlessly with tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, and Azure DevOps. Every time new code is pushed, SonarQube automatically analyzes the quality before the application is deployed. SonarQube in DevOps culture. In DevOps, SonarQube supports the concept of shift-left testing. This means identifying bugs and security issues early in development instead of fixing them after deployment. This approach reduces cost, saves time, and improves system reliability. Benefits of using SonarQube. Using SonarQube provides many benefits, such as improved code quality, better application security, reduced technical debt, faster release cycles, and increased team productivity. Real-world use case. In a real-world scenario, when a developer pushes code to a repository, the CI pipeline starts automatically. SonarQube analyzes the code, checks the quality gate, and only if the code passes all conditions, the application is deployed to production. Who should use SonarQube? SonarQube is useful for developers who want to write clean code, DevOps engineers who want automated quality checks, and organizations that want consistent coding standards across teams. SonarQube is a powerful code quality and security analysis tool. It helps detect the bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smells. It integrates easily with CI/CD pipelines and plays a key role in modern DevOps practices. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more DevOps and tech content. Comment below if you want a hands-on SonarQube demo or interview questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.